Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Robert Bland. I'm a criminal justice professor and retired police investigator with over 25 years of experience in crime scene investigation. Today, I'm going to be talking about Locard's exchange principle. Now, this is something very important when it comes to forensic crime scene analysis or criminalistics. So, if you've never been to this channel before, this is the first time you've ever watched one of my videos, I would ask you to please like and subscribe. Share the video. I talk a lot on this channel about criminal justice, case law, and also forensic science. So there's probably a video on there that I've already posted that you may find useful. So if you don't mind, like and subscribe, it'll help me kind of grow this channel a little bit. Now, Locard's exchange principle is something that I talk about a lot in my classes when we're dealing with criminal investigations, homicide investigations, criminalistics, or advanced criminalistics. Now, this principle was created by Dr. Edmond Locard, who was a French criminalist and really a pioneer when it comes to forensic science. A lot of times we refer to this principle as Locard's exchange principle, which I actually feel is a better kind of name for the principle itself, because it helps show that evidence is being transferred. There's an exchange there between two different objects. Now, a lot of times this exchange could be something very obvious, such as blood, or we could have things like a paint being transferred from one object to the next. And then sometimes it could be more trace evidence where we have hair, we have fibers, or even things that are more microscopic, such as skin cells. If we're dealing with touch DNA, where somebody has touched something, not just the fingerprint may be potentially left behind, but the skin cells itself is transferred from that criminal offender to an object. Now, I want to kind of give you a visual mental picture to kind of help you really take this principle and be able to understand it a lot better. Think of having two different vehicles. Let's say a blue car and a white car that collide together at an intersection. There's going to be a transfer there of paint between the two cars, leaving back trace evidence that that one object had came in contact with that other. So we may have white paint on the blue car and then vice versa, blue paint on the white car. We could even use this kind of example to go even further. Let's say that I have a suspect who potentially may have burglarized a home. Well, and on their way into that house, they may have crawled through a window. During the execution of going through that window, soil from the outside windowsill may have got stuck in the bottom soles of the individual's shoes. There's also, like I said before, touching different material. If we generally have an idea where that individual may have touched, we can then go back and swab that area for sweat or those skin cells that potentially was left behind by that individual. So basically, really kind of to describe this in a very kind of small, minute way, this principle really kind of helps us as investigators be able to link that individual to a scene by using something that was left behind or taken away from the scene. So another great example could be taken away. Let's say that fibers from the victim's clothing got onto the offender's clothes, Or I've even seen where pet hair, such as like cat hair, was transferred from the actual scene itself to the offender and then was collected later on by investigators. So Locard's exchange principle really helps investigators connect people, places, and objects together, really kind of helping to evolve criminalistics and that collection and preservation of evidence. Now, if you like watching this video, I ask you to please subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share this video with friends or fellow classmates. That's all I have for now. Thank you.